How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back. I am back. I'm excited. It has been a while since I've done any fishing. Maybe I have. It's just that I've been failing a lot, and that's okay. Sometimes you gotta fail to make decisions in life, right? You gotta fail, you gotta change it up, look at it from a different angle, and who knows how it's gonna go. But I came out here to this point just to get away from the wind. It's supposed to be like 10 to 15 to 20 miles per hour. It's supposed to get pretty windy tonight. Tonight we are fishing for walleye, so I'm really excited. As you guys know, I love walleye fishing during the nighttime because you just don't know what's gonna happen. It's super exciting, super explosive, rolling jerk bait, swim bait, stuff like that. So I don't know how it's gonna go. It's gonna go anyways. So tonight the goal is to catch one. If we could catch one, awesome. The goal is to catch multiple, that way I can entertain you guys and maybe teach you guys something. By the way, guys, before it gets too dark, let me talk to you guys real quick. Let me zoom out there. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using. Right off the bat, I'm using my favorite, all-time favorite jerkbait on the Akuma DTR custom rod. You guys know, but I gotta show you guys this custom jerkbait because it's all my all-time favorite. Boom, right there. That is from Jenko. I'm sorry the audio is kind of windy, but that is Jenko JerkBait 110. This is my favorite color. This is the 110. Make sure you guys check it out from the links down below. Again, it's affordable. It works great. It swims good. Action's good. Here it is, guys. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for tonight, and let's see how it goes. Let's see how long it lasts today. I didn't bring no snack or anything, so I ate. Okay. Goes to stay past 10. Anything after 10 is garbage. I don't know if it's covered. Good. Go. Smashed it. We're on, guys. Freaking on. We're on. That's a big one. That's a big one. Oh my gosh. That's a big one, guys. I'm so sorry. There's no light. That's big. Oh, dude, I'm shaking. What the heck? Nice. Wow. Alright, guys. I don't know if you guys can see me too good here. I'm shaking. Sorry. Oh my gosh. We just stuck a nice freaking musky. Just hold on. There you go, guys. That is a nice freaking musky. Wow. It's so beautiful. We can get it back in the water. I don't hold it too long, and continue fishing. Nice fish going back. Nice one, like straight up musky. Yeah, buddy. Yes. That was cool, guys. I knew it was something else besides a walleye because it was fighting just way too hard. So we got that guy out the way. We're going to keep fishing, see if we can find a bigger walleye. Stay tuned. That's a nice fish. Oh no, not quite 18, but definitely on the freaking paws. That is so cool. Yeah, this guy, I probably don't even have to oh, that's crazy. That is so cool. I need to get some pictures. Look at that. Almost 17. Alright guys, I was just testing my mic and I hope it was working. I swear dude, this mic gives me so much trouble. I definitely need to look into a better mic, man. This mic has given me so much trouble. But you guys saw in the clip there, basically what I'm doing, I'm twitching it. Again, nothing crazy, nothing hard. Just twitching it back on long pause, okay? Just like that, keeping it still. Maybe 3 or so second pause. That's what I'm doing. Again, I'm using that Jenko JerkBait threadfin 110. Just like that. It looks like I'm jerking really hard, but I'm actually just picking up the slack from the wind. That's it. Just dead sticking. Just like that. Yes! Freaking paw. That's a keeper right there. That's a keeper. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, I didn't want to release this video because the audio was just terrible. It's the first time like messing with that mic, and I think I finally figured it out, so I promise you guys there's gonna be no more audio issue. Fingers crossed. I promise to always release footage for you guys that even if it's good or not good, I'll try to like puzzle it together and show you guys what I've been doing. It's been tough. This video is a little older. I mean, it's been like 2 weeks already. It was tough fishing out there because the conditions were just still kind of awkward. Like still at that like it's cold yet warm stage. It's warm during the day and then cold at night. So the pressure is just kind of like weird. But yeah, we caught that nice muskie. A lot of muskie fishermen know that, and I think people know that in general, that those fish are really hard to find, really hard to come across. So I was blessed and honored to catch one of those for the season because you don't catch them too often. So yeah, caught some walleyes. I think caught a bass, but I don't know if I got it on video, but had a couple missed dumping here and there. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, hit that thumbs up, and we'll be out there again. I promise you. I got a bunch of walleye video coming your way, and you don't want to miss it. See you guys out there.